Adele's concert in Munich turned into a magical experience when she took the stage on a rainy evening delivering a soulful rendition of Skyfall.
Hear my heart burst.
Known for her powerful vocals, Adele's performance was perfectly complemented by rain, creating an enchanting atmosphere that left fans in awe.
But this is the end. I've drowned and dreamt moment.
The audience described it as a truly special and unforgettable moment, where nature seemed to harmonize with Adele's music in a way that felt almost surreal. The combination of her emotive singing and the natural backdrop of rain transformed the concert into a poetic blend of artistry. For those lucky enough to attend, it was more than just a regular concert.